Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the SNOJO ASHJ201 ash vacuum. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: holds up to 4.8 gallons of cold ashes. Easy to operate and clean. Onboard hoses are organized for quick and convenient storage. Comes with a dust cartridge filter. As the name subtly implies, the SNOJO ASHJ201 is meant to pick up cold ash. Picking up hot ashes with it isn't such a great idea, but cold ashes can easily be picked up and then disposed of. While as a good ash vacuum, it's not that powerful. The motor only gives you 4 amps of suction power. That isn't a lot of suction power, but it is good enough for most ash vacuuming. When you are using this ash vacuum, all of the ashes will flow through 2 key filtration mechanisms. The first of these filtration mechanisms is that of a pre-filter. This pre-filter removes all of the excess dust and ash particles. These particles are quite toxic and are very annoying to deal with if they spill. Then, the ashes flow through a fine dust filter that removes all of the fine dust and fine ash particles that are on the ashes. Once the ashes pass through those filtration mechanisms, you can then take them out of the container and dispose of them. The tank that holds these ashes has a maximum capacity of 4.8 gallons. You can vacuum for a longer period without having to empty the ashes, which does make the overall experience a bit easier and a bit more convenient. To perform this vacuuming, you'll be using the main hose. This main hose is 3.9 feet long. That isn't very long, but it's good if you're pretty close to the ashes that you need to vacuum. When you add the nozzle, though, it becomes 4.9 feet long. In the end, the SNOJO ASHJ201 is a very good ash vacuum. It's quite cheap, so you don't need to spend a lot of money to buy it. And it has a simple and easy to use design that makes using it almost effortlessly. Pros: sturdy steel construction. Easy carry handle. Hose and cord organizer. HEPA filtration system. Works well on fine dust particles. Compact and lightweight. Cons: works only on cold ash. Can be a bit loud while being used.